come here, you're going to be given work instructions. You're going to be expected to complete every task in those work instructions, but also step outside those instructions to learn new skills and abilities. We're going to train you to do your job, but this is not the type job where you do the same thing every day. At some point, you'll know every step and you'll be able to build everything on this line. We need people that are self-starters that don't need to be supervised every step of the way. This is not your typical assembly job. Sometimes we have problems that we need to overcome. We have to find solutions to these problems, work with engineers, and at the end of the day, we have to get the truck built. We need guys that are going to come in here that are capable of learning the basics, but are going to push to grow and learn more and move down our assembly line. We want people that are self-starters, that don't need to be micromanaged, that are going to come in, learn to do their job, but also learn to do other people's jobs, move down the assembly line, and grow and be able to go tell their families that they know how to build the entire truck.